Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome for the first time. So in today's video, I took you guys' suggestions on the last one and I was like, okay, I'm gonna study hard, and I'm going to try to do these braids again. And of course I watch Destiny. She's like my little sister in my head, I swear. I'm just going to jump into this. I'm doing this on dirty hair because I don't know how this is going to turn out. And just in case, you know, I'm just going to take them down and wash my hair and do another style. So I don't really know how this is looking in the back. Actually, just in case this turns out cute, let me see how it looks in the back. It's so much easier for me to part in the bathroom mirror. So I went ahead and parted 8 sections of my hair. So I have 1, 2, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, 3 in the front, and 1 in the back for 8 braids. And I don't think I have enough hair, but this is just experimental, so it's okay. For my edges, I'm using this Murray's edge wax or whatever. So as all of the tutorials said, I'm gonna go around my part. So you go around your parts to get all the little flyaways down. That's what they said, so that's what I'm doing. It's gonna be a while before I learn how to part straight. Whatever, that's good enough. That's not bad. Oh, that's not bad. Oh yes it is. Just don't get too close. It's really not that bad, you know. If you stay back, it's not that bad. It doesn't look that bad. I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm getting better. Yay. I didn't have any more hair and I was not about to go to the beauty supply store. I've been working with pre-quarantine braiding hair, so you know, it just has to do, because I'm not about to run out, get any hair. If somebody wants to send me some hair, I'm open to that. But no, I'm not running to the beauty supply store to get any braiding hair. I'm just working with what I have, so that's why you see this color yet again. So today when I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw Tiffany Nichols. She posted a picture. Her braids were so cute. I saw she had them like, she had these kind of braids, but they were 2 braids, so I'm about to try that when I get done with this. Now that I'm done with that first one, I'm going to move to the second one. I was going to do 1 and 1, but I'm just going to finish one side and then move to the other side. Oh, that one looks good. Look, it looks good. Does it? Does it look good? They're not perfect because I see a loop or 2, but maybe it'll lay down after I I swear, I feel like the scarf is like the magic pill. It's gonna make everything perfect. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I'm really, oh, you see that loop? We see you, girl. Oh my god. Ah, I did it. I did. Okay, I'm gonna put the magic scarf on Hopefully some of these will lay down, these little flyaways, and do something right here, maybe, because you know how I feel about edges. So I'm going to do something, let this scarf sit for a couple minutes, and I will be back to show you guys. Time for the moment of truth. Magic scarf, I'm counting on you to have done your thing under here. And I tried to do some edges. We're gonna see what it did. Wow. Yes. Wow. What do you guys think? They look actually cute, but the only thing is you can see like my bald spot over here, but I'm not really gonna worry about that because look at, I did these. Thank you guys for sharing. Thank you guys for your suggestions on who I should go watch, because it definitely helped. Now I'm not saying that these are perfect, but you know, I can see an improvement. Oh, you probably want to see the back, huh? We're not gonna get picky about the parts. Let's just, oh my god, let's just appreciate the fact that there's not a lot of noticeable bumps like it was last time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please click the video in the cards or in the description box where I tried to do feed-in braids. Yay! This is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I will continue to practice, don't worry. We gonna get it. By the time my birthday rolls around, I am gonna have some homemade bomb braids. But anyways, please, if you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the post notifications so you know when I post a video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wow, I finally did some edges. I think I'm actually gonna leave these in for a while. I like them.